In the next two lessons, we are going to look specifically at the dashboard sections of QuickBooks Online. We're going to really look at the two views that they give you an option to operate in, and we're going to look at how that is set up and how you can maneuver through those two dashboards. And what usually happens is a person will typically like one or the other. It just depends how you like to operate, and that's perfectly fine. You'll find out which one you like, and when you log into QuickBooks Online and go to your dashboards, you'll tend to go to one or the other. So let's go ahead and start this. Again, this is the main screen that populates as you log into QuickBooks Online. I want to show you something real quick here before we get into the dashboards. And you probably didn't even notice this was an option. If you notice right now, we are in what they call the business view of QuickBooks Online. And this over here to the left is the main features. Some of you who already work in the business view have already come to know this. And so this is how it looks. Kind of very clean, has your little icons so that you can click into those. And if you click the little three dots here, it will open up to give you some options. Now, QuickBooks also gives you an option to do what they call the accountant's view. So in the settings area, which is that wheel that we have already worked in, everything pretty much runs from there. If you notice down here, it says switch to accountant view. And if you click on that, it will go into your accountant view. And the difference here is you notice there really isn't any, flashy icons, and it's very broken down into sections. You have a few more sections here, and it just gives a different way of operating in QuickBooks Online. Some of you may like the business view portion better, and others who maybe are more analytical will really like this accountant's view. Always, you can change it at any time. Just go up to your settings, and if you want to go back to your business view, then you just click on business view. So I'm going to stay in the business view for now because it seems like a lot of people really like the business view. So I'm going to go ahead and go back into that. First thing we're going to look at in this lesson are the two dashboards. The first one is the get things done, and then the business overview. Now, in the next lesson, we are going to deal with the business overview. And this lesson, we're going to really dive into this dashboard, get things done. And so you click on that, it brings up this page. And really what this is just a very simple workflow. It gives you all the different areas that you can click on real quick, gives you an overview. So let's go ahead and look at these areas. First part is the money in. As you can see here, the QuickBooks gives you the option to add products and services right away. If you want to, add some products and services, you can easily just click on that and it goes to the page. But as far as workflow, we're going to start with this. So we have manage customers. Real simple here. You would click on that. It takes you straight to your customers. And this is the dashboard here for all your customers. You can add new customers. You can go over here to the right and send, estimates or invoices or reminders. This is basically where you can quickly get to your customer section of QuickBooks Online. Just real easy to get to, just one click. If you are a company that creates estimates for your customers, you can just click on that and it sends you straight to an estimate, and you can start creating estimates for your customer. Next one here is send invoices. This, if you click on it, will send you straight to an invoice, and you can start to fill out your invoice. Real simple, one step gets you right there. You don't have to go over here to the left and kind of go into all the different areas to get to your invoice. If you're using the track time feature in QuickBooks Online, you can quickly just click on that, and then it gets right into a worksheet that you can fill out. Now, these over here to the right, currently they are not signed up for. We don't have those on here. So what they really are is receive payments. That is your QuickBooks payments. So if you have QuickBooks payments that you have set up, then this will light up and you can just click on that real quick, go to that section of QuickBooks Online. If you have the payroll that you have added to QuickBooks, this will light up. You can just click on the payroll. It will go straight to your payroll section here in QuickBooks. And then over here to the get funding. This is where you can get capital funding through QuickBooks. Great if you're needing some cash flow and you've reached out to QuickBooks and added that. This will light up here, and you can just click on that and get access to cash flow. Over here, as far as money out, we have pay bills. And if you notice, there are 5 of them that are in our bill module here. And this is for our accounts payable. So you can quickly get to that. Shows you all of them that are outstanding, when they are due. If there is a little red exclamation point, then they are overdue. And so you can quickly get to your outstanding bills by just clicking on it. Last part here is our accounting and reports, and we can get into the business banking, which is your QuickBooks checking account. So if you want that feature, you can click on that, get right to that. And we move on here to our next section, which is review transactions. You notice right away that there are 33 transactions to review. What this does is it takes you straight to your banking feed. So if we click on that and we skip that, it goes straight into our checking account. And then these are the transactions that you will need to review, maybe assign a category to it or put a payee in, and then you can confirm it, and that will go ahead and populate into the bank ledger. So it's just a one button, gets you straight to your bank feed. And then the last one is our reports. You can quickly get to the reports that you have by just clicking on that button. Again, this is a great dashboard to quickly get to the transactions that you typically do, and you can get there without having to navigate to the left here. This last part where it says expert help, talk to a bookkeeper, that is the QuickBooks Live feature, that if you are wanting to sign up for that and utilize their product for QuickBooks Live, you can just click on that, get you straight to the information you need to be able to call them and set that up. So that is our Get Things Done dashboard. In our next lesson, we are going to look at the other dashboard that QuickBooks has in their main screens here and look at the differences that are in the business overview.
I got you. You don't know, but I've been watching. I'll find you.